This next section is how you can just create any page. To create your menu on the top of the page, where you click the menu and you can select what pages you want to go to, you obviously have to have your pages there and ready. A bit of pre-planning will help with this, but of course everybody's website is going to be slightly different. So I'm a WordPress help and support website, so let's go to pages and let's make a page for help and support. I could later add a plugin to make this a ticket page, so people can come on here, they can create a ticket and they can talk to me, perhaps even a free live chat or something like that. So let's just go ahead and create the page first. So again, we're going to go to add new. I'm going to call this page WordPress help and support. Of course, the title will come up top, so just make sure that it's relevant to what the actual page is. Once you've done that, make sure that your URL slug is matching or is very similar or is what you want it to be. Spaces will get replaced by dashes here, so you can put the dashes yourself. If you don't, it will just automatically fill them. So at the moment we're looking good. We've got our help and support page. The permalink is set nicely, so it's going to be your website / WordPress help and support. This is going to do well for SEO because Google and other search engines will also read this. So if anybody is searching WordPress help and support, it's much more likely to send them to a page which is also titled that, with that written throughout the content as well. You can set a featured image for your page. So let's say, for instance, when people share this, I want them to see this featured image on the page. You can also do that too. You can set this to pages and posts. You can then choose whether you want to allow comments or not. I probably will allow comments on this particular page just because it's a help and support page, but that's completely up to you. I'm not going to actually put anything on this page yet. That will come later on, but however, the page is ready, so I can go ahead, I can publish this page. It's ready to be added to a menu now when I do go ahead and create my menu. If you want to know how you can get rid of pages as well, simply come to your pages option. You can come underneath and you've got a few options. Here you get the edit, which will give you a full edit of the page, which is what we just used now to edit the page. You can do a quick edit, which will allow you to change some of the information on there. You can move it to trash or you can go to view. So for this example, we're going to go and we're going to move the sample page to trash because we don't want it. So as you can see now, we have certain pages. We have our home, our blog, privacy policy, and of course the WordPress help and support. I'm going to go ahead and add one more new page and just call it services that we offer also. So services that we offer. And I can even change my URL slug here, so I can change that to WordPress services. As you can see, when I click off it, it'll put the little dash there. And now we've got / WordPress services. I'm going to go to publish here, publish again. And then that's the page done. One thing that I will go through a bit more towards the end of the video is the SEO and how to get the search engine optimization on all of your pages. So we will be coming back to these pages just to add that later on. Depending on how you have your setup, it might automatically put your pages in the menu, or it might not, but we can do all that later on. And we'll be able to rearrange it, put it in the right order, and even make subcategories. So when you hover over one thing, it will show you the other options from it.